Hey there, welcome to Techno Binge. Today we will understand what is cloud computing. This word has become so ubiquitous that you would have already heard about it before or experienced it through any of the services. We'll discuss that later. But first things first, what exactly is cloud computing? Think of it as a distributed place where you have lots of compute and storage that can be accessed by anybody from anywhere via internet. That means I can be at Mumbai and get a tiny piece of compute and storage from somebody hosting the larger setup, maybe in Delhi. This on-demand access that is provided to me is so automated that a small chunk of resources can be provisioned with least management efforts. Now, the providers that are offering me these services are called cloud service provider, and they typically charge for the cloud services based on the usage. This is very similar to how you are billed for the electricity by your utility provider. In other words, cloud computing is online delivery of IT services via internet with pay-as-you-go model. Now, why is cloud computing so awesome? Well, here are the key benefits. Number 1, accessibility. You can access the resource from anywhere via internet. Number 2, cost efficiency. If you're building your own applications, you don't have to buy super expensive computers. Instead, you can avail the cloud services and pay for what you are using, which makes it more cost effective. Number 3, reliability. You know your data is 100% available, your services would be up and running with minimum or near zero downtime or interruption. Number 4, scalability. If you are a tech enthusiast, a small startup or a large corporation, you don't have to guess your capacity. You get the flexibility to scale your infra up and down based on the usage. Number 5, collaboration. Different people from different region working on single project is made easier using cloud computing, and your resources are just at a click away. Now you might be wondering, how does all this work? It's all about data centers. These are massive super secured buildings filled with thousands of powerful hardwares such as servers, storage and networking devices. They store and manage your applications and data that you can access remotely. Let's now talk about real-world examples of this. Your online games, where you connect with different players from the globe, is utilizing cloud computing. Your OTT channels like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, where you view your series and your favorite movies, is an example of cloud computing. Google Drive, Drawback, iCloud is an example of cloud computing. Now, this technology is not all rosy. There are few downsides as well. Let's discuss about that. Privacy. You are keeping your data in somebody else's data center, and there is a slight possibility that your sensitive information might fall into wrong hands. Second, cyber attacks. Since you are accessing this data via internet, it is also your responsibility to keep your data safe and secure. Third, local compliance. Many times there are restrictions put on by the local regional government that your data should not exit a particular region or location and should stay within that boundary. Fourth, cost. If you're not careful about the usage, you might end up with high unexpected bills. So, be smart about how you use cloud and keep your data secure. This was the overview of cloud computing. We will go deeper into the next video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.